Yes, good morning, everyone. So now we are going to continue with the part two of, the part two of 2025 paper two May June ICT. So I have done the from what is it called from step 15 up to step 19. So, but in this part two of this video, we are going to continue from step 20 of ICT paper 2 May June 2025. That is the database aspect. Now let's go there. Now we have successfully imported the three files, the three tables. We have done the relationship. So now let's continue from step 20. In this step 20, we are going to create a report using field from all the tables, produce a tabular report that select the record, where, gender. So now in this question, you need to know how to analyze it. So the first one, you need to create, because before you can create a report, you need to create query first. Querying is a way of what? Of extracting some set of data from the entire database. So now you need to first of all create query first before you create report. Now, how can you differentiate query from report in this particular question? It's very simple. So now the first query is where it's showing show, that is where all the fields are listed. You can see now accordingly. So I will tag this one to be query 1. Then the next one is, this is query 2. So that is where we are going to select a set of some data from the entire, table or database. So I will call this one query 2. I'll call this one query 2. Then from here to this place, I will call it a report. This is report. This is report. Now let's go there. So I will click on create. Please, you are using query wizard. Click on query wizard, simple query wizard, then you click OK. Then from there, we'll be navigating now to be picking the field from all the three files, all the three tables. So accordingly, please make sure. So the first one is learner number, forename, surname, date of birth. So let's quickly select that. Learner's number. What is the next one? The next one is forename, then surname. So you use your single arrow to be picking it. In case if you make make a mistake, then you can use this one to take it back and do the correct thing. So the next one is DOB. Select DOB. Gender. Select gender. Then from there you select year group. Year group is not here. You go to another table, maybe class. This is year group. So the next one is class code. Class code is class code here. Class code is not here. I think it should be in access. Let's see. So it's not in access, so it should be in learners table. Class code. This is class code. Then the next one is access arrangement. It should be in access. Access arrangement. Then the next one is online application. Happen to be the last one. You will see that one in learners table. Online application. So we have successfully selected all the fields that we are going to use for our query. Then you click next. Then from there, next again. Then here you don't even need to title it. So just leave it as default title. Then you click finish. So we have successfully created our query. So you can see the query now. So it means that we are done with this one. We are done with this one. Now let's go to this one now. Select the record where female is, where gender is female. So gender is female. You can see that in this table now, you can see gender. We have female and male. So we need only female. So and female and male stands alone. So this time around, we are going to use a speech mark anywhere the text you want to get or data you want to get stands alone in the table, you are going to use speech mark. You use speech mark. So go to your home, then go to your view, then design view. Then you can see fields, table, sort, show, and criteria. So you are using criteria. Under criteria, gender, you select this one. So this time around, you will use your speech mark. You will use your speech mark. Then female, type female. Please 100% accuracy. Then you use speech mark to close it. Speech mark is double quotation before and after. Then now run it. Please make sure you are running it one after the other. So you can see now this one is working. Now let's go there. So the next one is access arrangement include the test time. The test time, access arrangement. So you can double click this one or you drag it so that it will be clearly visible. So you can see that access arrangement, you can see where you see time. So the one that includes time, that is the one we are looking for in the database. Time, you can see this one now, time. You can see that this time does not stand alone. So please, anywhere it does not stand alone, you are using asterisk. You are using asterisk is just to what? To extract it. So that is to know that this is exactly what we want from the content. So let's go there. View, design view, then you can scroll. So we are still working under criteria. You put it under criteria, access arrangement. So you introduce your asterisk now, then time, type time, then you close it with asterisk. So make sure you follow the way the question is showing. You can see that is what? Is small letter here. Just please follow the instruction of the examiner, I mean the question. So now let's run it. So you can see now, so the query has been reduced, in fact, from 491 to 42. So now this one is fine. Save, then close. So now we are done with creation of query. Now let's go to report now. So you go to create, then you go to report wizard. Click on report wizard. Look, this time around, you are using all the fields that in the query that you have created. So you use your double arrow to pick everything. You can see now, unlike when you were creating query that you were selecting it one by one. So this time around, you have created a query. So you use the query created to create your report. So now you click next. So this time around, they said do not group. In the question, they said do not group. How do you know when the data is grouped? This is it. When the data is grouped, it means that a particular field may be separated from the rest of the work of the field. But look at this one now, it's not grouped. All the fields, they are together. So if I click on this one now, you can see now this is the evidence that is what is grouped here. So examiner said that it should not group. You can see that access arrangement is separated from the rest of the field. So it's not grouped. So this is the correct one. Then you click next. So you don't have anything doing here. You click next here. Here, I would advise you not to sort here. Though they ask us to sort, but I would advise you not to sort here. So you will sort in your report after you have created the report. So I will say, I'll just suspend this one. I'll say suspend. So I will do it later. Then next. So your landscape now. Let's see the orientation. The orientation is landscape. You can set it. Let's set it. And don't forget, you are creating a tabular report. You can see it now. In another question, it could be a columnar. It could be a justify. So click next. Then from there, let's see whether they gave us a name for the report. Include only the text access arrangement to be scheduled as a title. So you can quickly create your title here. But in case if it's complaining, so you take it back to default name. You can quickly you can edit it or modify it after you have created it. So it's complaining now. So it means that you don't want me to, or you can type it yourself. If you type it, if it's still complaining, just take it back, then go to next again. So leave it as default name. So we'll go and edit it after it has been created. So click create now. You click create here. You click create here. So then from there, you click finish here. You click finish. You click finish here. So after you have clicked finish, you can see that you have successfully created your what? Your report. But the report is looking okay, but there are some tests that are not showing. There are some fields that are not properly showing. So what you will do, close your print preview, then go to view, go to layout. Then you can easily adjust it from here. You click the field. Before you can adjust this one, you need to adjust the font name. Click the field name, then press Ctrl key, hold it, and click on any of the content. So to select everything, then you can now put your cursor to this side to move it. Then you can now have created a space now. So you come to this place, you click, then you hold your Ctrl key, then you select, then you can now drag a bit. You can see now that is what is clearly visible. It's now clearly visible. Then you can try to be adjusting it. Please don't destroy your report. You click on this one, you Control key, then you hold it and select. So you can be taking it like this. So please just be careful so that it will not scatter. Just be calm and be doing it this way, the way I'm doing it. You can take it to this side. It's very simple. Then as you are arranging this, if your report has maybe contain 2 pages or 3 pages, as you are arranging it, it will be reducing the numbers of pages. It will be reducing the numbers of pages. So I think it's fine now. So now let's go to print preview. Let's go to print preview. Okay, before we go there, let's quickly do this one. Let's go to the question. Now we can sort now. Let's quickly go and sort. Let's sort now. Sort the data into ascending order of access arrangement. So let's go there. In case if you cannot find this one at the base of your report, there's no cause for alarm. Just go to design, then you click group and sort. So this one will display. So now click on it, add and sort. We are sorting it through access arrangement. So you click on it, descending order, that is A on top. So this one is correct. Then you save. The next one now is descending order. Oh, this one is ascending, A on top. Okay, that's very good. Descending order of year group. Descending order of year group. Descending order of year group. You click add to sort again. Year group, you click on year group. Descending, that is from largest to smallest. So you change it, largest to smallest. So it has been sorted. You save. So now that is settled. Now the next thing we are going to, so let's quickly go and do the heading now. This is the heading and the title. Let's quickly go there now. Do the title. So I can do the title here. I can also do it in design view. Just select it. So you highlight it, then you type your title, or you copied it, but you will not be able to copy it that day. So just type it. After I selected, then you can now be typing. So that is the title is settled now. Now let's go to, they say use a function to display DOB of the youngest student and place this at the end of the report, the youngest student. So if you look at it very well, DOB, the youngest student here, if you check, the youngest student here is Ruth. So, and it was born in on 21st of August 2010. So this is the answer that we are expecting. So now what you will do is that select the content alone and go to what? Your design. Then you will see summation here. So just click on this, you will see total here. Click on it. Now it's supposed to be max. That is maximum. So the maximum date here, the maximum year here is 2010. But assuming that we are working on the age, so the youngest person's age here, it will be the what? The least. But here is the date we are working on. So we are going to work on the what? On the current date. And the current date take the lead. So it means that it's going to be maximum. But if it is the age is going to be minimum, which is mean. So this time around, max and mean is not activating. Why? Because this content that we have selected, date of birth, consists of what? Both number and text. So that is why it's not activating it. So we have to apply method or strategy. So we can use any of this one to first of all we can count the numbers of value first. So just click on this one, then scroll down. If you scroll down, click on it, you can see now the numbers of what? Of value here is 42. That is not the correct answer. So select it. Now let's go to our home, then design view. So this is the function to calculate or to count the numbers of value. So this time around we are looking for maximum. So just carefully select it and carefully delete this count. Please don't spoil the function. Carefully then take your keyboard to uppercase, which is capital letter, then type max. So want to type max like this, then you can come here and save. Then go back to your layout, home, view, layout, and let's go and see whether it's working. Now you can see it now, but the only thing is that it's not complying with the what? With the format of the date that we are initially what? Using. So we can easily do that. It's very simple. So just click on design, then you will see property sheet. Then once you click on this property sheet, then it will display at the right hand side here. You can see format now. Just click on this place, then use your drop down list, then take it to medium. Take it to medium. That is the initial format that we were using. You can see now. So it's now conforming with the what? With the right format that we were given. That is medium date. So then you can now right click and save. So that one is settled. This one is settled now. They say as the label DOB of the youngest student fully visible to the left of this data. So this one is very simple. So this is how you will do it. You are going to type it, but I will copy. Then go to your what? Go to your home, design view. Go to your design view now. So this is it. We are going to take the text. We are going to put the text here. Please use your label. This is your label from design. You see label. These are the tools that you can use. You use your what? You use your label. Click on it. Then you come here. Click, hold, and drag. You are creating space now. Then you can type the text that they ask you to do, or the title that they ask you to put here. So you can see it now. Date of birth of youngest student. So that is that. Then from there, they said you should take the Okay, before we do that, let's quickly do this one. Let's quickly do this one. Ask your name, center number, and a candidate number in the footer of the report so it appears in the same position on every page. It's very simple. So this is where you are going to do it. Then you can take it to this side. This one, the page will give you the hint. This is the page number of the report. So it means that you can put your name here. So you click on label again, then you can create the space, then you type your name. I'll type my name now, Raphael Arowoshafe, then command. The center number, it now depends on the center number of your school. I will use NG466, then command the candidate number that you are being given. I will use 0001. So that is the footer. So now the next thing we are going to do now is to take the screenshot, save and print your report. Before we do that, we'll quickly take the screenshot that is placed in your evidence document, a screenshot showing the database formula used to find the youngest student. Make sure this formula is fully visible. So you take it to this side. This is the formula they are expecting. So you use your light shot. So you just take it like this. You copy. You go to the next step, which is step 20. Then you paste on it. So the next thing we are going to do now is to save. So let's save. Then we can now take it to print preview and let's see how it goes. Or let's go to layout first. So this, then you can, let's go to print preview. So this is print preview. So this is how your report is going to be. So you can now send this one to printer. You can see now everything is showing. Everything is showing now. Then the next page is okay. Let's check the next page. So this is the next page. This is the youngest what is it called? The youngest person. So you can see that your footer is showing, your name is showing in every page. So now this is where we are going to stop for this part 2. So in part 3, we are going to continue from step 21. That is where we are going to create a label. So thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So immediately I drop a new video so you can be notified. So thank you so much.